On to standard 3. I can multiply and divide positive and negative numbers. Okay, so positive 5 times negative 2. Since I have a positive times a negative, I know my answer is going to be negative. And then I just do 5 times 2, which is 10. All right. Biggest problem with this was people still thinking this is subtraction. All right, so this is 5 times negative 2. Number 12, I have a negative times a positive. Doesn't matter which order. If it's one negative and one positive and I'm multiplying, my answer is going to be negative. 9 times 4 is 36. So I have a negative 36. All right, negative 6 times negative 8. So now I have two negatives that I'm multiplying together. So that answer is always going to be positive. So I'm just going to leave it and then do 6 times 8, which is 48. So I have positive 48 is my answer for that. Most of you guys did very well with the standard. This one was a little tricky. Negative 5 times negative 2 times negative 3. We'll break it up. We'll do negative 5 times negative 2 first. Negative times a negative is a positive. 5 times 2 is 10. So I have positive 10 now times negative 3. And I have a positive times a negative. So my answer is going to be negative. 10 times 3 is 30. So my answer is negative 30. All right, anytime we have an odd number of negatives that are multiplied together, the answer will always be negative, right? Because as you can see, the even numbered negatives will cancel each other out and they will become positive. All right, negative 100 divided by negative 20. A lot of us knew that this was supposed to be positive. It is. Division rules are the same as multiplication. Negative divided by negative is positive. Now we just have to do 100 divided by 20, which tripped a lot of us up, but it is in fact 5. So just 5, not 50, not 20, all kinds of silly answers here. It is division, not subtraction or multiplication. So just positive 5. Negative 50 divided by 10. Negative number divided by a positive number. My answer is going to be negative. 50 divided by 10 is 5, so negative 5. Oh, I didn't get the cool thing. Do it again. Yeah.